one. Okay, we have offices. This is our staff room coming up. And we have offices right here. The first office and the second office. And we have the toilet up there. We are so grateful. How many days will they accomplish this? 3 days. Sure. Are you speaking the truth? Okay, 3 days. This will be done. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Be blessed. Hi. So, ma'am, today I want to show you our classrooms. This is the first classroom with 2 windows. 1, 2. And then this side also, in front also we have 2 windows. 1, 2. So this is the door right here. We are going to have the door, window and a window. And then we have the second classroom. The second classroom, we have 1 window, that one, and the second one. This is another window, and this is another window. So this is the main door. So that is the second classroom. The third classroom here. So we have this is the first window, the second window. And then we have another window in front here. And then we have, that is the window and the door. So this is the window, this is the door. So that is our third classroom. So we have, oh wow. So right here, this is the reception and the window, only 1 window, reception. And then we have the staff room right here. This is the staff room where teachers will be having their meetings. And we have, that is the window. And this is the window for the staff room. We are having only 2 windows. That one and this one right here. So we have another, so the office is here. Where can I get in? So this is the office right here. We have the office. So this is the office. The office has only 1 window. And then we have the bathroom right here. This is the bathroom. with a small window. The first small window that you always ask me. This is the small window, and this is the bathroom, and this is the office. This room is the office. We have the big window in front. And then we have the stove. We have the stove right here, where we're going to put our books. So this is the stove and the small window. So thank you.